Today I decided to review the top 5 best quality backpacking stove on the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I trying to list them based on that price, quality, durability and more. So let's get started with the video. At number 1, Bisgear. Anodized aluminum pot and frying pan make it non-stick, easy to clean. 16 pieces camping cookware set includes space-saving, easy to carry. All the objects in this cooking set can be stored together in a mesh bag for space-saving and convenient carry. Perfect gift for yourself, family, suitable for camping, hiking, backpacking, picnic and other outdoor activities. Perfect for camping backpacking. Buy one, you get everything that you or your family need. Number 2. Optimus. Versatile top-of-the-line construction that allows for more precise simmering and cooking. Crafted from high-quality materials. Camping cooking supplies cookware. Number 3. GasOne. Durable and compact. Made with durable aluminum alloy and stainless steel. Stove is made to withstand high heat as well as stay compact and discreet for easy portability. Control your flame. Made with a control latch valve that can fold for maneuverability, so that you can choose how you grill or simmer on the go. Simple to set up and extremely intuitive to use and maintain. A great companion for several occasions. Number 4. Primus. Portable. The trail stove comes supplied with a nylon bag, making it trail ready whenever you are. Only 8 ounces, this travel stove is perfect for all of your outdoor adventures. Windscreen. The crosswise pot support acts as a built-in windscreen, making cooking both fast and reliable. Endurance. This classic trail stove can operate for 70 minutes on a 230 grams gas cartridge. Number 5. Bulin. High cooking performance. Save your fuel, cook your meal very quickly. The camp gas stove has a piezo ignition switch to ensure convenient to use. Made of durable, rust-resistant, high-temperature resistant, corrosion-resistant stainless steel. So if you're looking for quality and price, then this would be the perfect option for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you want to find out the price and more information about these backpacking stove, you can check out the links in the description and the comment section below, and if you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.